Every day, life gives us the same 24 hours. Some people waste them without thinking, some trade them for temporary comfort. But once in a lifetime, someone chooses to plant those hours like seeds, and what grows from that patience can transform families, villages, and generations yet to come. This is the story of a boy who understood the real value of time. In the quiet village of Dharampur, two brothers, Arjun and Vikram, lost their father when they were young. All he left behind was a small mud hut, and one piece of advice: time is the only wealth everyone receives equally. Spend it wisely. Arjun the elder laughed. Time? I need money, not philosophy. He left for the city, taking any job he could find. He carried bricks, pulled rickshaws, worked in shops, and spent every rupee he earned on food, clothes, and trying to impress others. Vikram the younger stayed in the village. If time is my real wealth, he wondered, how should I invest it? He spent his mornings learning to read and write from the village teacher. In the afternoons, he planted a small mango orchard behind their hut. Villagers laughed at him. Mangoes? You'll wait years for fruit. What a waste. As years passed, Arjun bought fancy clothes and a motorcycle, but he remained exhausted and in debt. Vikram, however, continued patiently. He practiced carpentry under Master Ganesh. His early furniture was crooked and ugly, and the children mocked him as Vikram the Fool. 7 years later, everything changed. Vikram's mango trees bore hundreds of sweet fruits. His carpentry became admired in neighboring towns. With knowledge from books, he introduced modern farming methods, drip irrigation, crop rotation, organic fertilizers, and taught other villagers for free. When Arjun returned to Dharampur, tired and empty-handed, he saw his younger brother living in a thriving home, surrounded by orchards and workshops. How did you do this? He asked, tears in his eyes. Vikram embraced him. You spent your time, brother. I invested mine. You bought things that disappeared. I built things that multiplied. You chased quick rewards. I planted seeds for a lifetime. By the time Vikram passed at 75, he had transformed not only his life, but the entire village. His workshops trained young carpenters. His orchards fed hundreds of families. His teachings spread knowledge that would last generations. The village that once mocked him now called him Vikram the Wise. At his funeral, the village head said, Vikram understood what few do. Time is not just something that passes, it is something you plant. And what you plant today will feed you tomorrow, next year, and long after you're gone. Arjun placed a mango from the first trees on his brother's grave and whispered, I finally understand, brother. You weren't wasting time. You were building forever. Moral of the story: time is the greatest wealth we all receive equally. Those who spend it, lose it. Those who invest it, grow forever. If this story inspired you, make sure to subscribe for more life-changing motivational stories. Your one click supports us to create more positive content for you.